What if I told you, before a pencil could write its first word, before it could draw a single line, it was given 5 life-changing lessons. Simple lessons, yet powerful enough to transform the way you see challenges, mistakes, and success. Because the truth is, the pencil's story is also your story. A pencil maker was preparing a pencil for the world. Before placing it into a box, he held it in his hand and said, "There are 5 things you must remember if you want to become the best pencil you can be." The pencil listened carefully. The maker said, "First, you will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be guided by a hand." The pencil didn't fully understand, but it remembered the lesson. Then the maker continued, "Second, from time to time you will experience painful sharpening. It won't feel comfortable. In fact, it may hurt. But each time it happens, you will become sharper, stronger, and more useful." The pencil became nervous, but the maker smiled and continued. "Third, you will make mistakes. Your lines won't always be perfect, but you will always have the ability to erase and correct them." The pencil felt relieved. Then came the 4th lesson. The most important part of you is not the wood on the outside, but the graphite on the inside. The pencil began to understand. True value comes from within. Finally, the maker shared the 5th lesson. No matter where life takes you, you must continue writing. And no matter how difficult the surface may be, you must leave your mark. The pencil was placed in the box, ready for its journey, ready for its purpose. We are a lot like that pencil. Life will sharpen us through challenges. Sometimes we will make mistakes. Sometimes the pressure will feel unbearable. But every challenge can make us stronger. Every mistake can teach us something valuable. And our true worth will never come from our appearance, money, or status. It comes from what is inside us, our character, our attitude, our courage, and our determination to keep moving forward. So if life is sharpening you right now, don't give up. You may be becoming the person you were meant to be. Remember, a pencil becomes useful because of the sharpening, and people become stronger because of the challenges they overcome. Keep writing your story, keep moving forward, and never stop leaving your mark on the world. If this message inspired you, subscribe to Growthwind Media, become a member of our community, and let's continue growing together, one lesson, one step, and one victory at a time.